In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the frustrating issue of the Wix server cannot be found error. This is a common problem that many people encounter when trying to access their Wix site, and it can be incredibly irritating when you can't get your work done because of a server issue. But don't worry, we're here to guide you through the steps to fix this problem. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever browser you typically use. What we want to do now is delve into the browser settings. Finding this section might be a little different depending on the browser, but generally you'll find it by looking for a menu icon, often represented by three dots or lines in the top right corner of your browser window. Clicking on this will present you with a drop-down list where you can select Settings or Preferences. Once you're in the Settings menu, our focus shifts to finding where you can clear your browsing data. This includes clearing your cache and cookies, two things that can frequently resolve server issues by resetting any saved site data that might be causing a conflict. Then within the settings, look for an option labeled something like Privacy and Security. This is generally where you'll find the option to manage your browsing data. Clicking on this will typically present you with various options related to your browsing history, cookies, and cache. When you've located the area for clearing browsing data, it's important to ensure you're selecting the right options. Check the boxes for cookies and cache. These are often the culprits in scenarios like this. Be careful if you want to preserve your browsing history or passwords. You often have the choice to deselect these options. Once you have everything set, proceed to clear the data. Confirm your choice and allow the browser to complete the process. Depending on how much data your browser has stored, this could take a little while, so be patient with it. With that done, it's time to check whether this has resolved the issue. Go back to your Wix website and attempt to load it again. Clearing your cache and cookies should have removed any conflicted data, potentially enabling the server to be found seamlessly now. If the site loads correctly, fantastic, you've resolved the problem. If not, there could be other underlying issues, possibly related to your internet connection or Wix's own servers, which were outside the scope of today's guide. And there you have it. An efficient and straightforward method to tackle the Wix server cannot be found error. If you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips and solutions. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your website.